Hey there, welcome to Idlecoders. In this quick tutorial, we'll build a Scramble Text animation using React and Framer Motion. I am using TypeScript for this project, but if you want to use it in React.js, you can do it. Just skip the type declarations. So let's dive in it. First of all, you are going to create a new React app with Vite. Run the command npm create Vite at latest. Follow my steps or set up with your preferences. Then install Framer Motion with npm install Framer Motion. Nice! Now we have our React project. Let's clean all the components. I am going to skip this part because I know you guys are not interested in this process. Here we are. A fresh, clean React project. Now it's time we create a folder named component. Now inside our component folder, create a component called ScrambleText.tsx. If you are using JavaScript, then use .jsx. Good. Write use client if you want to use it in client side. Then we will import motion from Framer Motion package. And also we will use useRef and useState from React. Let's create a constant with symbols we are going to show during the animation. Const char is assigned to symbols. Let's declare the props type for our component. You can skip for JavaScript. Type props, children string, cycles per letter number, shuffle time number, let's create the main component. Use children, cycles per letter, shuffle time as props of our component to make it reusable and customizable. This is the beauty of React, right? Well, now we will use reference of Node.js timeout to avoid animation lagging. Also, it will help us to stop and start the animation. Const interval ref useRef Node.js.timeout or null, call it with null. Then set the cycles per letter value from our prop, and default value will be 2. Same for the shuffle time, but default value will be 50 milliseconds, which is the duration of one animation cycle. Now we will use useState for our text, because we are going to change it during the animation, but we need to take text from the children first. Const target text children. It is time to create the function called Scramble. Try to understand the whole explanation, and so without skipping, watch the video till the end. Animation will start with first character, so let's set the pause assigned to 0. Interval ref current assigned to set interval. Now create the interval function and set the interval duration same to the shuffle time. Now we need split all the characters from the text. So we will use split method to create an array with all the characters. Then we will map it and change the original character into a symbol. We will make sure if the cycles per letter is completed, then it will return the original letter. Let's use MathFloor and MathRandom to select the symbols, and it will create animation beautiful. Now we are returning our random character. Then join the text and update the text and increase the position. This will make sure every time our text is changing with the new scrambled frame. I hope you get the point. Don't worry, if you need this entire source code, the link is in the description. Copy, paste, and analyze with tweaking the code. Now we will stop the function when it is done by calling stop scramble function. Then create stop scramble function. It's pretty straightforward and simple. We use clear interval function to stop the animation and updated text with our original children. Now we will create the component with framer motion. Create motion div and add hover effect. We will tap effect also to make it more beautiful. Call scramble function when component is in the viewport and stop when it will leave the viewport. Do the same thing for the mouse enter and mouse leave. Give some style to make sure the text will not overflow. And here we go. Our component is perfectly ready to animate any text with scramble effect. Now it is high time we call it into another component. Okay, now we are going to use the component into the app. You can try it in any component. Let's design the background. Use the Scramble text and set the props. Here's the final result, clean and elegant. If you like this animation, hit the like button and subscribe for more cool React effects. I have designed a React software for store management and use this component in the landing page. I am attaching that preview also. To give me inspiration, comment below. Thanks for watching.